These 8-inch Belva Marine speakers deliver strong, room-filling sound that easily cuts through engine noise and wind on open water or trail rides. The two-way coaxial design, with a dedicated tweeter and woofer, provides a balanced mix of clear vocals, crisp highs, and solid mid-bass that suits both music and spoken audio. Power handling is generous for their class, so they stay clean and composed at higher volumes without the harshness or distortion cheaper marine speakers often develop. Their polypropylene cones, rubber surrounds, and sealed baskets are engineered to resist water, salt, and sun exposure, making them a dependable choice for long-term marine use. An IP66 rating and stainless steel mounting hardware give extra confidence that these speakers can handle spray, washdowns, and rough weather without corroding. Installation is straightforward thanks to sensible cutout dimensions, a moderate mounting depth, and included protective grills that leave the finished setup looking tidy and factory fresh.